Do you want to be a successful YouTuber but don't want to show your face? Well, you can. Faceless content creation is the biggest growth market on YouTube today. There are countless creators posting content every day without ever showing their face. And it can be done with very little effort on your part by optimizing your workflow with AI. Let me show you how you can get started today with just one tool and 5 minutes of work. Now, before we get too far into this, let me share with you 3 perks of being a faceless creator. Number 1, it can add a sense of mystery to you and your content. People are curious by nature, and not showing your face will make your viewers more curious about you and the content you're putting out as they try to make guesses about who you are. Think of Dream, How to Basic, Corpse Husband, H2O Delirious, etc. Number 2, not showing your face removes one of the biggest hurdles in content creation and makes the entire process that much easier. You completely eliminate the challenge of getting comfortable on camera and learning how to properly light and film yourself, and you can even take things a step further and use AI to remove your voice from the equation as well. Number 3, faceless content is the easiest content to automate. As you grow more confident in choosing video topics and optimizing your workflow, you can set most or all of your tasks for each video to run automatically and create 3, 4, or 5 times the content you otherwise could in a given time frame. Additionally, you can repurpose the same automation processes to create content for several different channels and niches at once, further increasing your productivity and profitability. Let me know in the comments down below what you think the biggest pro of being a faceless creator is. Now that you know the perks of being a faceless creator, let me show you how you can start today. We're going to be using a website called Bith.ai, and it is fully functional on mobile and PC. Once you've signed up, you should see a page that looks something like this. Here you can see all the tools it has to offer. For this video, we're just going to deal with the video generator, but once we're done with this, you can feel free to just look around and try out the other tools as you want. All right, start off, click video gen. Once you see this screen, you're pretty much ready to go. Let's go ahead and put in a topic. What do we want our video to be about? Since Bith is a Jordanian company, let's give it this prompt. Generate a travel information video for me about Jordan. And we're going to choose our video dimensions, 9:16, 1 minute duration. We want English language. Let's do educational and normal. You can choose storytelling for the theme, and for the tone you also have mysterious, funny, and horror. But for this, we want it to be a very factual video, so we're going to choose normal and educational. We're going to go ahead and leave our background music and our motion effects on and click next. From here we can choose the voice, male or female. There's a bunch of different choices for both. Let's just try a few.
The journey of creativity knows no bounds.
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 I liked Natasha. Let's go with Natasha.
The journey of creativity knows no bounds.
We're going to click next. Now we're going to choose the photo style, the image style that we want, as it's going to automatically generate images for our background. So let's go with, there's original 3D model, pixel art. This is a travel video. Let's go with cinematic so that it looks as real as possible. And we're going to click generate script. Yes, we want to proceed. And in just a moment, we'll have our script. Okay, so now we have our script ready to go. It is 478 characters of a possible 768 characters, and we can edit it as we want. Cool, everything looks good. I'm gonna say, ready to explore Jordan is wonders. Instead of start planning now, I'm gonna change this to, do you think you will visit Jordan now? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'm gonna click generate scene. So there we go. Now in about 2 minutes, we're gonna have our entire video ready for upload. We will get an opportunity to edit the duration of scenes and stuff, and I didn't even get done talking and it's done. Isn't that awesome? All right, so now we can edit our scenes here. We can edit their lengths, I believe. So what we can do though, is we can edit any of the text. We can change the font. Let's go with maybe, I don't like impact, permanent marker. I like the permanent marker one. So we're gonna do that. And instead of drop caps, we're just gonna do all caps. And we're gonna leave it centered. And then the text stroke, maybe we could bring that up just a bit. I think I'll do 6. I don't remember what it was to start. I'm maybe gonna change the color to something, I really like oranges, so maybe like a dark orange. Subtitles, let's see what's in subtitles. Yeah, we can edit the entire script here. Again, if we want to change something, we're gonna leave it how it is, and we're gonna go ahead and export. And there we have it. We've got our video entirely complete. Let's go ahead and watch it right now.
Did you know Jordan has a city carved from rock? Jordan is home to Petra, an ancient city carved into red sandstone cliffs. It's one of the new 7 wonders of the world. You can also float in the Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, and visit the stunning Wadi Rum Desert, known for its red sand and rock formations. Jordan's rich history and diverse landscapes make it a must-visit destination for travelers of all ages. Do you think you will visit Jordan now? Let me know in the comments down below.
And it's fantastic. Absolutely wonderful. From here, I can download it. I can edit the video in the traditional video editor where I can shorten it up and add images, stuff like that. I could go on to generate a new video or just go back to the studio. So that is Bith.ai's automatic video generator, and it is awesome. I mean, seriously, you saw that video it created. It's incredible. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. In the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 10 most in-demand topics for faceless creators. So stick around for that.